Greetings from Nova Auto Sale in sunny South Florida. Up for sale today, this 2021 Nissan Sentra SV model. We're going to go ahead and give it a quick walk around, then we'll take it panel by panel and show you the condition of the vehicle. It's got about $130 on the clock. Nice shape overall. Brand new tires all the way around. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at the front bumper and lights. Headlamps are in great shape. Look at that. Very nice condition. Grill's in good condition. Very nice. Beautiful shape. Does have some spider cracks here on the bumper. Besides that, looks good. Hood's in good condition. Very nice. Does have some small chip marks here and over here. Besides, that's in good shape. Windshield's in good condition. Does have a large scratch on it right there, as you can see. A couple little chips here and there. Nice condition overall. Roof is in good shape. Good condition overall. Very nice. All right, let's take a look at the front fender. On the driver's side, beautiful condition. Looks clean throughout. Does have a small little scratch right there. Besides that, looks good. Driver door, good condition. Mirror does have a couple scratches on it here. The fender does have a dent right here, a long dent going down. Didn't notice that before. And also a little bit of damage here on this side. Also towards the bottom here, it also has a little bit of damage there on the fender. Taking a look at the rear door of the driver's side, good shape. Little imperfection here on the edge. Quarter panel on the driver's side looks good. A couple little marks here on the paint. Taking a look at the rear. Rear bumper's in good shape. Still have some spider cracks here on the rear bumper. You can see there, see it? Besides that, looks good. Also another little scratch right there. Trunk's in good shape. Looks nice. Lights are in good condition. Let's take a look. Overall good shape. Quarter panel on the passenger side, good condition. Just have a scratch right there. Besides that, looks good. Rear door on the passenger side, good shape. Front door on the passenger side, good shape. Does have a couple scratches here on the mirror. Front fender on the passenger side, and also here on the bumper has some scratches there. Let's take a look at this side on the windshield. It does have that scratch that goes from one side to the other. Roof on this side looks good. Overall decent condition. $130 on the clock. Nice shape. All right, stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the interior. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the front door panel on the driver's side. Really great condition. Look at the armrest, is in good shape. Very nice condition all the way. Controls look good. Very nice shape. A little bit of storage there on the bottom. Let's take a look at the driver's seat. The driver's seat's in great condition. Looks super nice. It is a manual seat. Full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel, great shape, very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the door panel here in the front on the passenger side. Front door panel in the front, really nice shape overall, look at that. Great condition. Does have a little bit of creasing here on that, but besides that, it looks very nice. Beautiful shape. All right, let's go ahead and take a look here. Passenger seat in the front, good shape, really nice condition. Full set of floor mats, dashboard, steering wheel, looks great. Beautiful condition. Very nice. Okay, we're taking a look at the driver's side rear door panel. Looks good. Really great shape. Look at that. Rear seat on this side looks good. Very nice condition. Really great shape. Full set of floor mats. USB for rear passengers right there. Charge your phone or whatever. Let's take a look at the liner. Liner looks good. Good condition from back here. Very nice shape. Okay, we'll take a look at the rear passenger side door panel. That one's in good shape. Look at that. Really nice condition overall. Looks good. Take a look at the rear seats. Beautiful shape back here. Does have an imperfection here on the seat. Besides that, looks good. Really great shape. Okay, we're sitting inside this 2021 Nissan Sentra. Gonna go ahead and start this baby up. Check out the key fob, lock, unlock, power trunk release, and panic. All right, as long as this key's in the vehicle with you, you'd be able to start it up. It's got a push button start, really nice feature. So as long as you have the key with you, you should be able to start it right up. So we're gonna press the brake, press the button. Starts up perfect, look at that. Super nice. All right, let's take a close look here at the mileage. 135,065 miles. Beautiful cluster, look at that. Really nice. RPMs, miles per hour. Shows you the time, the temperature. Shows you the rear seat belts that aren't closed up. So if you have kids or whatever, you can see if they put the seatbelt on or not. That's super nice. It's got a really nice information center. So let's go ahead and scan through it real quick. So look at that. That's the safety features. So that's on right now. Traction control, go back again. Driver assist. Blind spot, emergency braking, speed limit signal, parking aid, rear cross traffic alert. That's nice. It's got a lot of features, man. Driver assist alert, timer alert, low temperature alert. Super nice. So you have econo mode settings, TPMS sensors, the clock, vehicle settings, maintenance. Super nice. So let's look there. That's for the radio station. That's showing you the radio station that's on right now, the music they're playing. That's super nice. Tire pressure sensors. It'll appear when you drive the vehicle. Econo mode. And home. So we're going to go ahead and leave it on this one right there. So that shows you it does have a bunch of safety features. It has the front, has a blind spot, has a lane alert. Super nice. And the cluster shows you everything there. Miles to empty, 54 miles. Super nice. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other features on this one. So let's look at the controls here on the steering wheel. This for the radio. This for the information center we went through right now. This go back and forth. Super nice. And then we're looking here, this for the cruise control, for the Bluetooth. Let's take a look what this does here. I believe that's for the lane alert. Oh, this is the little screen there. It shows when you have the settings here in the front. There you go, see it? Shows you the distance. So this button gives you the distance to adjust it, and this one actually shows you it. So right there, see that? That's really cool. So we'll leave it on that now and go for a test drive. All right, so it's pretty much, that's everything on the steering wheel. Control for the wipers, automatic lights, super nice. Power windows, power locks, power mirrors. Take a look there. It's got the econo button. It's got a rear trunk release from here, and it's got the trip button right there. It is tilt steering wheel, and telescopic. Steering wheel's in great shape. It looks leather wrapped, really in great condition. Look at that, very nice shape. Dashboard steering wheel looks amazing. Take a look, beautiful condition, really great shape on that. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at some of the other features. It's got a beautiful screen there in the center. We'll go back to it in a moment. Look at those beautiful vents, really nice AC vents there. It has a climate control AC, so each one can have their own temperature set there. That's nice, look at that. Right now it's synced, so if you take the sync button off, this could be at 63, that one could be at 60. Super nice. Down below here, USB 1, USB 2, auxiliary, power plug there. Nice little tray there. The push button start, automatic transmission, cup holders. Take a look at the armrest. Beautiful shape on that. A little bit of storage in there. Beautiful condition overall. Look on top here, you got your courtesy lights here. You got your visors. Super nice shape on both of them. Really great condition. All right, let's go ahead and take a look at the information center real quick. All right, so now we're looking at the radio station. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just press here to go to menu. That's where we're at. So we could check source. Let me show you all the sources we have. AM, FM, XM radio, USB 1, USB 2, Bluetooth, Apple CarPlay, and auxiliary. Super nice. Go back again. And then if we go here to settings, there you go. So you got your connections there. Click on that. Apps, USB, Bluetooth. All right, fantastic. Go back again. Sound. You want to adjust the sound on the radio. The beeps and stuff for the alerts. Customize home. You can customize the home page. Clock settings. Customize audio right there. We just looked at that a minute ago. System. This one has, you can speak commands to it. Super nice. And then it also has all the buttons there on the bottom, so you don't have to touch the touch screen if you don't want to. We can view the camera from here too. Check it out. Oh, the camera you got to put in reverse. I thought you could view it from there, but let me show you the camera real quick since we're here. Really nice camera, and it has the lines there showing which way it's going to roll back. Super nice. So let's go ahead and leave it back on menu, which that's the home right there. All right, that's pretty much it. Take a look at the liner real quick. Really great shape overall. Beautiful condition. Looks really clean. Really great shape. All right, that's about it. All right, stay tuned, guys. We're going to come back and take it for a test drive. We'll be right back. All right, ready to go for a test drive here. Here we go. We already have it in gear. We're all set. Super nice, quick acceleration. Feels good. Super smooth. Really nice drive. So this has that keep lane assist. So if I start going out of the lane for some reason, it'll give you that little vibration and it'll blink there. So the steering wheel vibrates, and then also it shows you a correction there that you're getting out of the lane, which is really nice. It also has the lane, lets you know when someone in the lane next to you. So there's a car coming there. See, the little light came on there. See that? It's got a little light that comes on there on the panel right there. Lets you know that there's a person there in that lane. So that's super nice. Drives really nice, feels smooth. Alright, we're gonna go ahead and park really quick and check out the backup camera, that it's fully functional. Just find a little spot real quick. And we'll back into one of the spots and you can see the backup camera functioning and everything. You can see what that looks like. It does drive really nice. Here we go. We're just going to grab a parking space here, any parking space, and we'll back it up. There we go. Set up the reverse. And then it has those lines that turn depending on which way the steering wheel is going. So we're backing in here. We're going straight back now. There it is. Fantastic. Look at that. Really nice. All right, so this one also has sensors in the back, so they're going off now. You can see there, it lets you know when there's something back there. Shows up on the cluster. Super nice. And then of course, when you put it back in drive, it goes back to normal there. All right, so that concludes our test drive on this one. Stay tuned. We're going to go ahead and take a look at the tires, take a look at the engine compartment, and the trunk area in the back. We'll be right back. Okay, we're taking a look at the trunk area in the back. Super nice shape. Looks good. It's got the rug for Sentra back here. Very nice. The regular rug. Spare tire and jack. Beautiful shape. Look at that. Really nice condition. We're taking a look at the engine compartment. Engine compartment is clean and in great shape. Let's take a quick look. Really nice condition. Beautiful shape. Look at that. Really great shape overall. Bottom of the hood looks good. Really great shape. Emission sticker right there. Really great condition. Beautiful shape. Okay, well that's going to conclude our video for this 2021 Nissan Sentra SV model. If you guys have any questions, please feel free to call 786-431-9046 or visit our website for more information. Nova Auto Sales.net. Thanks for watching.